Hello Sagittarius, what's up people? How are you all doing guys? Everything fine? Going good? What's up? What all things are happening? So this reading is all about the first part of the September month and the cards have started showing up. Sagittarius, you start and you begin with the Ace of Wands. This is your energy card only, so I would be really considering it for my first part of the September month. So what do we have here? Let's discuss about it. Let's know about it. What do we have? Generally, what do we have here for the first part of the September month for the lovely Sagittarius? Page of Swords is here. What else? Okay, what else? After the Ace of Wands, we are getting the Page of Swords. Okay. And the third most important card. No, it's many cards. Third most important card. Again, there are many cards. You can't take all. Sagis, be calm and composed, okay? Okay, you wanted the Empress. Empress is here, guys. And very important, 3 bottom of the deck cards are here. I'm going to talk about that as well. Let's pop it up and see. We have the Chariot here. You are so much eagerly waiting for this new beginning to happen in your life. You want to communicate. You are dying to have communication with your partner. You really desire something which is true communication, getting truthful, getting honest with your partner, and you just want things to happen in a certain way. You do not want to neglect yourself. You are strongly working hard over yourselves. You are gaining your own things, and you really want to give your 100% towards whatever you are doing in your life, which is a very new thing. And because Sagittarius, I'll also warn you with this one thing, that you always get in a fastened mode and then you regret it later. So please guys, don't do this kind of a thing. 7 of Wands. See, I'm telling you this thing. Your way to communicate, the time when you sit and you start to have conversation, you always get into this trap, or you always enter yourself into some kind of situation where the other people who is communicating with you just gets disheartened by your words. Something happened. It's very important that you keep your words in a controlled manner and fight over only those places which is required. Where things are not required, please try to stay away from that whole chaotic situations, from those kind of fights, I would say. And the last card. See, I told you, you need to take a space of yourself. Your own space is also important. It has to matter you a lot, guys. First part of September month, you will see how patiently you have to wait. But you're not waiting. You're trying to take much actions. Your action taking is huge over here. But this is not the system. This is not the way you should do. Why? Because it's kind of very easier for you to take to not wait. Why? Because you are a fire sign, and probably most of the time fire signs cannot keep themselves into a situation where they can be patient. Your patience level is very low, but the universe wants you to please make it up a high patience time, because once you start to becoming patient with yourself, you will see that changes will start coming on your way, and you will gather a good position in your life, and also your bondings won't get destroyed or ruined by other people. I would also add on to this thing to you, right? Basically, you are outspoken person, and just because of your this nature, you always call up chaos, always call up situations where people get kind of easily a heartache just because of you. they kind of start blaming you. So don't do this, Sajis, don't do it. Quite happy, this is what I'm having. I hope it's resonating. Do not forget to like, comment, to subscribe us, share us with everyone you're having, and tell them to subscribe our channel too. Thank you.